doing the crossover, it's just your face.
You're doing the
Five-star cream of the crop, gourmet spot, gon' put the cherry on top. This one can't be stopped, giving them shock. It's really like that.
Here with my son right now, we're playing basketball somewhere here in California. Trying to do a summer workout for this kid. He's not a kid anymore. He's like bigger and stronger than me now. Look at that. The moves though. The face though.
Let me just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just pulling up. Me and my friends, big boy spins, just might start up a trend. You don't wanna go up against, no offense. Might wanna turn on your lens. They know in this drop, everyone stop. Ain't no more room on top. This one can't be blocked. Give me my props. I'm really like that. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Gone were the days, guys. Gone were the days.
Just boom. Heads turn when I walk in the room. All lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. I am the truth. Do it now. Boom. Heads turn when I walk in the room. All lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. I am the truth. Do it now. Boom. Heads turn when I walk in the room. All lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. Room. Boom. 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 Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Don't believe me, just Don't believe me, just Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Watch, 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 watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Watch, 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 watch. Don't believe me, just Don't believe me, just Don't believe me, just watch.
I'm just resting my knees, that's why.
Yeah, a few more minutes. At least I got my sweat in already.
What was that?
Slow motion. Get in there! Oh. Nothing but. Oh, my bad. Yeah. See, your free throw's getting better. Smooth like butter. Since I jinxed it. So you're gonna try out for Jake?
I need to get it checked.
Yeah, right.
There you go. There you go.
Right, so we're done playing basketball. We're probably gonna go to the garage and lift bottle of beer. Lift bottles of beer. No, just kidding. We're gonna lift some dumbbells
And beer.
for this oldie. So I'm done
When do you
practicing with my son.
For vacation?
Yeah.
When do you leave?
The 12th.
Oh, okay.
That weekend.
I go there a lot too. I don't see him and I go there a lot. Maybe I do. He just has a
No,
habit.
he's got like he stacks food, so he goes inside and then stacks them. So he normally does it in the morning though. So, right?
Maybe he's wearing a hat, so I don't recognize it.
That or no, I don't think so. But yeah, I'm trying this single lens vlogging mode. Vlogging
Diet
setup.
starts today. Okay? No process, no spam, no casino, no sausage.
Yeah,
It's just-
guys.
It's just chicken, egg, avocado, steak.
Salmon, right?
Yeah.
Salmon is good. See, get that advice from this kid right here. Watch out,
I don't follow my own advice.
huh?
I don't follow my own advice.
You guys didn't hear that. He said he didn't follow his own advice. But yeah, that was a good run. Thanks, bro.